Hey, it's Komori, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Winter 2017 Pusheen Box. The first item, and the main reason why I ordered the box, is the Pusheen Christmas sweater. As you can see, it is a really soft sweatshirt. It's super comfortable, and it has the Pusheen design printed on the front in the style of those ugly Christmas sweaters. However, it is not ugly, it is really cute. And it was the item that they usually do a sneak peek item for what's in the box and then leave the rest as a surprise, and this was the sneak peek item for the winter box and the main reason why I got it, with the intention of wearing it on Christmas. The only drawback being the box didn't arrive until the day before Christmas Eve, and by that point I was already traveling to go spend the holidays with family, so I guess I'll save this for next year because I didn't actually get to wear it on Christmas. So we'll move on to the actual box, and it got a little banged up in transport, but it's still really cute. It's got Pusheen on the front, wrapped in a whole bunch of Christmas lights, and it also has, I'm not sure if you can, I don't want to flip it over and have everything fall out, but it's got the tail, and then it does have the little Pusheen feet on the bottom of the box. And every Pusheen box has a vinyl figure. As you can see, I've started collecting them from a couple boxes that I have purchased in the past, and that's why this one is not in its box. It is Pusheen wrapped in Christmas lights. It's very cute pastel. It matches the colors that were used on the other Pusheen figures, so you can display them all together and they all coordinate with each other. And it's got the little plug on the back, and one side of the whiskers are actually separate from the figure, so it's a little bit more three-dimensional, and it's just really cute. So the vinyl figure is usually one of my favorite items from the box, and this one is no exception. It's really cute. So, and we'll just put it back over here with the other Pusheens. And this one came with a Pusheen in a sweater. It is so soft. It is so soft. And the little teal detailing on it is actually knitted, so they put a lot of effort into it, and if you lift up the back, they went ahead and put the effort into sewing the stripes on the back of the Pusheen, so this is a really nice quality little plushie. And I'll just put this in my lap to make it a little bit easier to access. So it also came with a USB powered mug warmer. I'm paranoid about putting liquids next to my computer, so I probably won't end up using it. However, I would have loved to have this back when I was in college and working primarily at a desk, so this would have been really helpful back then, but it is cute. The other item is a head massager. It's one of those, it's got a Pusheen on the top that's a little bit rubbery, and then it's got all those tongs so you can massage your head. Not really my kind of thing, not sure I'm gonna use it, but if you like head massagers, then I guess it would be really cool. So sometimes they have a particular theme to the box. This one doesn't seem to have a particular theme other than winter and staying inside and being cozy and perhaps trying to not stress. It also has these Pusheen Box exclusive pins. It has Pusheen and I think Stormy is the fluffy cat, and then it has a present and a star pin. Again, this would have been really nice to have at Christmas to put it on something. And also has a charging cable for a micro USB. It's taped shut, so I can't open it, but it is a bunch of multicolored little Pusheens. It looks like it's kind of an orangey, a pink, and a mint color, and they light up. And the big item for this box is that there is a Pusheen mug, and it is a really big mug. So there we go. It's really cute. It's Pusheen and Stormy making little snowmen. Also super cute, and according to the box, it is dishwasher and microwave safe, which is really nice. because it just makes things so much more convenient. So that is a really nice mug. And then lastly, it has these little Pusheen sticky notes that has Pusheen in a Santa hat, and then a present, a tree, and then Stormy in a little Christmas stocking. Again, I would have used these to wrap my presents with, except the box didn't come until the day before Christmas Eve, so everything was wrapped and packed up already. So I do really like them. I guess I'll save them for next year. So that is everything in the box. It's all really, really cute, and it's all really nice quality, and for the amount of items that you get in a Pusheen box, it's definitely worth the price. Once you add in shipping, it's around $50, which all of the items added up are definitely more than that price. My one concern with Pusheen Box is just that they have so many issues with the customer service. I probably won't be getting any more Pusheen boxes, other than I will probably be tempted if they do another one for fall that has Halloween themed, because that's like two of my favorite things is Halloween and Pusheen. Putting them together, I melt. Like how 2 winters ago they had the little bat Pusheen, and I love this little figure so much. But if you look at the Pusheen Box Facebook page from around the time that the winter box was being released, there was a bunch of people commenting on the page being like, hey, it's almost Christmas, when's the box gonna come out? And the company kept saying like, oh yeah, you'll get it in time for Christmas. A day before Christmas Eve is really too close to the actual date. I'm sure I'm not the only one who was traveling for the holidays and didn't actually be able to get their box until after the holidays were over, and I know that a friend of mine ordered her box way before mine. She ordered it in like October, November-ish. I can't remember exactly when she ordered it. She ordered it as a Christmas present for someone, and she again got hers like right like before Christmas Eve, so she had to hurry up and wrap it so that she would be able to give it to the person that she was giving it to. So yeah, I probably that went on for a little, that rant kind of went on for a little bit long, so I'm sorry about that, but that's really my only concern with the Pusheen box. So in review, I hesitate to recommend it unless you're okay with it being late. Then if you think you're going to use the items in there, they're definitely all really nice quality items, and they're really cute and very Pusheen. But yeah, so that's why I'm a review. Take it with a whatever it may be. If you got the Pusheen box and you had similar issues with the shipping, let me know in the comments below. If you did get yours early, if you're thinking about getting the Pusheen box, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.